Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you're going to learn how to set up a complete referral program in your Shopify online store. If you are started your online business with Shopify and wanted to make more sales and brand your company, then this video for you. So let's get started. First of all, I want to ask a question. Why you need a referral program, or what is the benefit of referral program? Okay, I'm going to give your answer. Information from friend is trusted more. Easy promotion opportunity. 65% of social media users learn about brand, product and service. The social network. 70% of social media users hear about their friend and colleagues' experience using product or service. Referral program remind customer why they chose to purchase with your product. When a customer refer a friend, close colleagues or family members to a certain product or service, they explain the reason why purchasing from your business is the best option. Referrals show that your business is performing well. It is easy to refer someone to good organization that offer quality of product and services than to one with poor service and a bad reputation. Referral program also increase marketing scope. Referral client become more valuable to a business. Customers who have been referral to your business have already formed a positive attitude toward your company. This is because they have already been informative of the benefit that come from choosing to work with you based on being referred by someone is they trust. And finally, referral program increase return of investment value. Okay, so now we have learned everything or benefit of referral program. Now we wanted to know how we can set up our referral program in our Shopify online store. Basically, in the Shopify there is no by default option to set up any referral program. That's why we need to use Shopify app that actually provide ultimate referral program solution. And I have researched on more app and finally got one that I want to share in this video. Here the apps ReferralCandy. I wanted to share this app with my audience. First of all, it's complete your marketing strategy with a referral program. You can set up full referral program with these apps. You can make your own brand, own design based on your website, based on your product, based on your logo. So there is fully customizable option to set up everything based on your business. You can track your referral and sales from the dashboard. It's reward customer your way, something like cash, coupon, special gift. Choose what your customer would love most. They will handle the code and fulfill the reward for you. And you can more know from this about ReferralCandy. ReferralCandy has grown sales for 30,000 online store counting through referral program. They have already 30,000 people or business or store using their apps. And here the reason why ReferralCandy you need to use. They have generated hundreds of millions of dollars in referral sales for merchant. They run referral program for thousands of brand, large and small across every industry. Customer love their picture and give them 5-star. So you can know more everything from here. And the important thing is that you can take this app for 30 days as a free trial. You have to need to pay anything for 30 days. You can use this referral program for 30 days as a trial, and this is integrated with Previll, Recharge, Request Order, as Reality, Bold and MailChimp. And here the pricing after 30 days. If you think this apps is absolutely fit for you, then you have to pay $49 per month on their standard price, and this is enterprise plan available also. And here the review, they have 1000 plus 5-star review, very positive. Thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is informative and help you and give you the good information, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.